Last month, the three members of the House of Representatives started a congressional caucus for Black women and girls. When you first heard about the formation of the caucus, what were your initial reactions?
Well, my initial reaction, I said, great. Now, I know that there are a lot of other caucuses that are specific to the needs of the African American community, like the Congressional Black Caucus, for example. But what is true is that the voice and the needs of Black women and girls is a unique voice with unique needs. So because of that, like anything else, when you're speaking in a crowd and you don't have a microphone, it's really hard to hear you. So in the same way, because we have a unique voice and because those things are so specific, I was glad that we had a platform and a caucus like this to really amplify the needs of Black women and girls here in the United States.
And if there was one policy that you would want for them to really champion for and push to create new legislature behind, what would that be?
And that's a great question. I think I would really like to see some better policy and legislation with regard to access to education and opportunities for specified to Black women and girls. Often there's a lot of attention for African American young men, especially to the school to prison pipeline and how we need to make sure those educational gaps are filled. But I think some of those similar and slightly different needs are for women, just access for women, equal pay for women when it gets to the level of education. So just further policy kind of directed to the needs of African American women and girls so they can get a good start to carry on to their careers.
All right, thank you.